Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sherly Sifani. In this occasion, I will present my presentations. The title is The Implementation of SAPI for Somatic, Auditory, Visual, and Intellectual to Increase the Students' English Structure at English Education Department. This is my table of contents. Number 1 is introduction, number 2 is method, number 3, result and discussion, and the last one is conclusion. The first part is introduction. English language is one of the international languages. Some language components such as structure, vocabulary, and others are needed to develop the first skills. The students felt difficult in understanding the English structure because they learn by memorizing the pattern. They seldom practice it in the class. Language is still one of the most common instruments for communication, as it follows individuals to quickly convey and receive information. The English language is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, and it is an international language. Because of its importance, numerous nations like Malaysia, Singapore, and India have adopted it as their official language. Despite having been taught at the basic formal institutions, English remains a foreign language for the majority of pupils in Indonesia. The foreign language is taught as a required subject from junior high school through senior high school. According to Solihin 2015, in truth, many university students still struggle with the English language. There are 4 abilities that pupils must master in order to learn English: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. All activities that they participate in. Some language components, such as structure, vocabulary, and others, are necessary for the development of the 4 skills. Structure is one of the courses that students learn from the first semester through the first semester at the university level. Notably, in the English Education Department of Madura Islamic University, or UIM, the researcher discovered various issues that students confront during the teaching and learning process based on his observations. Because they learn through remembering the pattern, the kids found it difficult to comprehend the English structure. They rarely practice it in class. SAVI, or Somatic, Auditory, Visual, and Intellectual, is one strategy in teaching and learning process which involves the 5 senses, according to Dave Mary, 2002. Somatic is learned by doing something and moving. The learners are invited to learn by doing some things and moving. Auditory is learned with speaking and listening. The learners will learn with speaking and listening. Visual is learned by investigating and drawing what they will. And the last one is intellectual, train the learners in solving the problem. The second part is methods. The research design of this research is CAR, or Classroom Action Research. The participants are the students of the first semester of English Education Department at Madura Islamic University. In collecting the data, the researcher used observation and tests. And in analyzing the data, the researcher used the criteria of success to measure the research. This study research design is CAR, or Classroom Action Research, with the goal of resolving students' difficulties in learning English structure in the first semester of the English Education Department at Madura Islamic University, as well as improving the quality of the teacher or lecturer in the teaching and learning process. The purpose of CAR according to Winarso 2008, is to improve the lecturers or instructors' quality and offer them a better grasp of how to achieve the teaching and learning process goals. This also mentioned that this research or CAR provides an alternate method for making the process function more smoothly. The students of Madura Islamic University first semester English education are the focus of the study. The researcher employ observation and testing to acquire data. The observation was used to determine the students' readiness to participate in the teaching and learning process in the classroom, while the exam was used to determine the progress in student English structure scores. Finally, after assessing the data, the researcher employs success criteria to evaluate the study. In this study, the researcher set a goal of 18.5% of pupils receiving the minimal score of 75. Next part is figure 1 action research cycle by Chemist and McTaggart. This is the cycle 1 and the cycle 2. Cycle 1 from planning, implementing, observing to reflecting. And cycle 2 for planning, implementing, observing, and reflecting. This is the results of the study. The first cycle, this cycle was done on 4th of November 2019. Planning, the researcher planned the teaching and learning process based on the student problems in understanding the English structure. This is acting. In the process of acting, there were 3 steps which the researcher did. They are pre-activity, main activity, and closing activity. Observing, the researchers saw the students are interested in joining the process of teaching and learning of English structure. Reflecting, the implementation of SAPI or somatic auditory visual intellectual in the cycle 1 was success because there was improvement score who got the target score. It is 62.6%. From this result, the researcher determined to continue this research to the second cycle. The second cycle, this cycle was done on 17th of November 2019. The planning is the researcher still use the same strategy. It is SAFI with more practice about present progressive. Acting, there are no different strategies in cycle 2 the researcher still uses for activities. Or somatic, learning by doing, auditory learning by hearing, visual learning by seeing or investigating or drawing, and intellectual learning by solving a problem, with more opportunities to the students to practice more, and observing by giving students more practice in using present progressive through SAFI strategy. They felt more enjoyable and interested in learning English structure, and it made them easier to understand the topic because they were more active in the class. The lecturer only as a facilitator in the class. It was also supported by the improvement of the student score who get the target score. It is 87.5%. This is figure 2, student score in the preliminary cycle 1 and cycle 2. We can see the differences for cycle 1 to cycle 2. And the last part is conclusion. The use of SAFI in teaching English structure is success because it achieved the target of this research. The use of SAFI also made students interested in learning English. The use of SAFI make students more active in the class. And the last one is the student had more opportunities to do exercise in the class with their partner. So the researcher can draw the following conclusion based on the previous discussion. First, the use of Safi in teaching English literature is successful because it met the researcher's goal of more than 18.5% of students receiving the minimum score, which was 18.75%. It also piqued student interest in studying English, which correspond to the findings of the study, which found that applying Safi makes students happier and make it simpler for them to comprehend the subject. Safi application is beneficial and improves students' abilities. Second, because the class switch from the teacher or lecturer-centered learning or TCL to student-centered learning or CCL. Students were more engaged in the class or CCL. The third benefit was the children had more opportunity to work out in class with their companion. This is my reference. And that's all for me. Thank you. I'm sorry for any mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.